Hi, welcome to Schogini Toys. Today what we are going to do is we are going to build a very easy touch sensor without using any additional components. So for this, we will use the analog input of the Arduino. Here we can see there are many analog inputs. We will use A0 for our exercise. So let's go over the code. Here we are defining the pin A0 as a variable so that later on if you want to change this to something else, we can easily change this so that you don't need to edit the code. So that is a good practice. Then we are just initializing a variable, which we can use it later. Here we are setting a value called threshold. We will see why we need this value. And in this setup, we are just setting up the serial monitor baud rate so that we can see the value. So this device, we will need to do some experiment to find the best value for our input. Here we are reading the value, and here we are just printing the value. Let's ignore the sections below. So every 1 second, we are just outputting the analog input A0 value. So let's run and see. Let's compile and upload the code. So here is the Arduino board. Nothing else is connected except the USB. Okay. So you see this touch value is being printed. Do you see this? The touch value is getting printed. It is roughly around 300. So we can set the threshold value of say 200. So it's roughly around 300. When there is nothing connected to it. So what we will do is, I've got a small piece of wire. Okay, small piece of wire. We will just put it into A0 position of the Arduino and see the value change when we touch it. See, value 0, or it is going below the threshold 200. Okay, so this is a very simple way of using Arduino's analog input as a touch switch. In our next video, we'll use this as an input to make a nice dice, digital dice. Perfect. Please like, share and subscribe so that you don't miss our tiny videos. See you again. Keep making. Bye-bye.